If you've ever wondered where your old projects go in Asana after you archive them, or maybe you need to revisit work that's been completed and tucked away, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find and review your archived projects in Asana. No more searching endlessly or wondering if they're lost forever. Alright, let's jump right in and show you step-by-step how to reveal those hidden archived projects. First things first, Asana hides archived projects from your regular view to help keep things tidy and focused on what's currently active. This means archived projects don't show up by default, but the good news is getting them back on your radar is just a matter of changing a simple filter. Think of it like pulling your winter coats from storage when the season changes. You just need to know where to look. To get started, make sure you're in the correct spot within Asana, the view that shows all projects in a particular team. If you're in a workspace, click into the team where you want to find archived projects. Teams in Asana work a bit like folders. Each team contains its own unique set of projects, so it's important to be inside the right place before you search. Once you've landed in the right team view, take a look near the top of your project list. You're searching for a drop-down menu, sometimes labeled Open Projects, Active, or something similar depending on your setup. This is where Asana organizes which projects are visible to you. Don't worry if it's not obvious at first glance. Just pause and scan slowly. It's there, and it's your key to unlocking hidden projects. Now, let's change that filter. Click directly on the drop-down menu that's probably set to Open Projects. You'll see a few different choices pop up. What you're looking for is Archived Projects. Go ahead and select that option. Almost instantly, your view will refresh, showcasing only the projects that have been archived within the team. It might feel like pulling loose papers from the bottom drawer. Suddenly, everything you tucked away is right at your fingertips. Archived projects won't show up mixed in with your active ones. Instead, you get a dedicated list, which can be so helpful for keeping things organized and not cluttered. Maybe you want to reference past work, grab old documentation, or even revive a project and bring it back to life. Simply click on any project in that refreshed list. You'll see the full contents, tasks, conversations, attachments, and everything else just as you left it. This process only takes a few moments, but it's one of those hidden gems in Asana that can save you so much time. And remember, anyone with access to the team can use these filters. So if you ever archive a project and need to loop back, maybe for an audit, report, or just to double-check something, you won't have to go digging. It's just a filter away. If you get stuck or the archived projects aren't showing, double-check that you're in the correct team view. And don't forget that archived projects are separate from deleted ones. You can always bring archived ones back, but deleted projects need a different recovery method. That's it. Now you know exactly how to show all archived projects in Asana. If this tutorial helped you out, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop them down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Asana tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.